Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to apply the Rossi dip powder to my nails. So before we do that, I'm going to prep my nail. So I'm gonna get my nail file right here, and I'm gonna push my cuticles back. And then I'm gonna remove the natural shine from my nails. So I'm basically just prepping my nails the same way I would if I was applying acrylic. So push the cuticle back and take the natural shine off of the nail. So now I'm going to get 100% pure acetone, and I'm going to dehydrate my nail beds. So now that my nail is clean and prepped, I'm gonna go over the directions before I get started. So thoroughly clean nail plate and apply a layer of the Rossi base coat. Then we're gonna dip our nail into the powder, apply a second layer of base coat, dip into the powder again, and we'll basically just be repeating that step until we get the depth of color that we're looking for. Then we'll apply the activator, buff the nail, and apply a second layer of activator. And then finally, we'll apply the top coat, let it dry for 30 seconds, and apply another layer of top coat. And when we're done, our manicure is supposed to last up to 3 weeks. So let's go ahead and get started. So I've got my base coat and my powder. And I'm going to be doing my thumb. So I'm going to apply it halfway. Well, a little more than halfway actually. Just don't go all the way up to the cuticle just yet, because we have to dip our finger in the powder multiple times, and if you go all the way up to your cuticle from the very beginning, then that area will be very bulky and you don't want that. So just don't go all the way up to your cuticle just yet. So I dipped my finger in twice. So now for this third time, I am gonna just go ahead and go up to the cuticle. And I'm gonna rock the container back and forth a little. And let's do that one more time. I'm making a mess. So now let's get the activator and apply one coat. We need to let that dry for a minute. So once that sets, it should be pretty hard. So wait a couple more minutes before I begin to file. So you do base coat, you dip until you're satisfied with the color, and then you apply your activator. So now we can go ahead and start filing and shaping and buffing the nail.
It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say.
So now that we filed and shaped, we can go ahead and get top coat. And we are to apply this twice. So once, let it dry for 30 seconds, and then apply another coat. So it's been about 30 seconds, so we'll apply another coat. And now we're done. So this is the finished result with the Rossi Glam Powder Mystery Kit. So here is the finished nail. It turned out really, really nice. Let me just grab some cuticle oils. And this video is sponsored by Rossi Nails. They sent this to me to review and I have no complaints. This was really quick and easy. Anyone can do this at home. Don't have to worry about going to the salon. And it turned out really nice. So if you have any additional questions, definitely leave that in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.